Hi everybody, nice to see you all back. Let us continue with our journey of understanding different types of owners. In past three videos, we spoke about three different types of hotel owners. We spoke about inherited hotel owner. We spoke about status symbol hotel owners. We spoke about hearsay hotel owners. Today we are going to discuss about a typical type of owners. They exist in India in quite a large number. We call them diversified hotel owners. There was a time, the era between say 2004 2005 onwards up to maybe 2010 2011 or 2012, there were a lot of business houses, especially builders, who thought about getting into diversification into hotels and hospitality. They felt they can do well in this business, so they plan to get into this particular domain called hotels or hospitality. So diversified hotel owners are the ones who basically do well in their business, who are doing extraordinary stuff in their own domain. They have enough money, they have enough reserves which can be put in some other business. So first thing what comes in their mind is getting into hotel business. Now it is said diversification adds up to your personal counting, provided it is a guided tour which is always constructive, firm and systematic. It clearly means if you are getting into diversification, a new domain, a new subject, you can go ahead. It is always advised because you are going to multiply your business. However, ensure that it is a guided tour. Somebody from the domain, from the hospitality, or who is having the domain expertise, is along with you. He guides you in the right way and ensures that you get the right product at the end of the day. This is what it means. Now let us talk about the diversified owners. What basically they are doing. They get into the business with their present expertise. I'm typically talking about the builders fraternity in this era, which I had experienced personally. I was associated with one of the top builders of India during that time. So this fraternity at large got into this business, and they thought they are very well in their domain, the construction part of it. They felt they can do residential projects well. They were doing commercial malls, they were doing commercial complexes in different parts of India. So they thought hospitality would be a cakewalk for them. So they got into this business. Now after getting into this business, as advised, one should always have a hotel consultant or a senior employee on roll who understands this domain well. As and on the time passed, these people got into acquisition of, left, right and center. They got into acquisition of purchasing land parcels all over India. They got into negotiations with the existing landowners, got into the joint venture agreements, and thought of planning a hotel. Eventually what happened, there were few builders who became successful, few got stuck in between, and the remaining never started the project. People who became successful were the ones who got associated with the brands or with the hotel operators from the initial stage. Few also got successful when they had somebody from the industry, a senior person guiding them, doing the hand holding, taking them forward. These were the ones who reached one level. But the ones who did things on their own, because they were having in-house architects, just because they were having in-house expertise of construction, they thought they will build up the hotel. First and foremost, the domain expertise of a builder and the domain expertise of a hotelier, in fact a project hotelier who understands the project, it is completely different. The builders basically what they do a typical planning of a residential complex or a commercial complex. The main part is the back of the house, which is the backbone of any hotel, is missing. The architects who are involved with them, these guys also never understand how the back of the houses are planned, and they fail to deliver. So these diversified owners did a lot of mistakes while getting into this business, and eventually 50% or more than 70-80% people gradually moved out of this business. You can count them on fingers who are the developers who are still into this business and developed their brand successfully. The ones who have stayed in the market are the ones who had association with the hotel operators, or they continue having somebody senior, a hospitality team controlling this particular domain in their organization. Otherwise, most of them took a thrashing, suffered losses, and they were forced to walk out of this domain. So my request would be, people who are trying to get into hospitality business or hotel projects business, I request you guys to ensure that you are at least talking to somebody who understands this subject very well. There are hotel brands available across India, depending on what kind of project you want to do. Get all your questions sorted out. Approach senior people from the industry and get into this business. Never get into this business just because you know that you can construct a residential apartment or a commercial apartment, or you have some other domain expertise. Having said that, there are few business houses who have got into the business and gone ahead and become successful in the project after having the senior people around or having the consultants on board. Once the operation started, they still remain in the operations or try to control the operations. Never do that, because operation again is a technical game. You cannot apply your business ideology to a hotel business ideology, or you cannot run your particular domain, whatever business you are running as per your expertise. You cannot have the same systems applied on hotel operations. So during operations also, I have seen operating hotels suffer because of this particular issue. So ensure that right people are doing right jobs. Let the experts do their jobs. It will help you out. You will benefit as a owner. Eventually, your brand will be seen in the market, and you will make whatever